How to set the origin of the disk type tool magazine of a CNC machining center. Click on the menu. Select Commission. Choose Password. Enter password. Sunrise. Confirm and select machine date. Search 14512. Confirm. Press up and down to find date number 10. Check and confirm. After checking, it becomes 1. Quiet. Activation. Reset. Shut down and restart machine. After restarting, press Menu Mode. Activate Tool Magazine. Activate Tool Magazine Commissioning Mode. Press to move forward and reverse of Tool Magazine. Finally, press Menu Mode. Press to return the Tool Magazine to 0. The Tool Magazine will automatically return to the origin, tool number 1.